grab your pencils, because we're about to create a curious little kitty cat from just 2 circles. So, take your magic backpack and follow me on this magic journey. First, begin with those 2 exciting circles we mentioned moments ago. Can we turn this kitty into the next Indiana Paws? Ready to explore every nook and cranny with a dash of adventure. Let's sketch 2 big curious eyes, staring intensely like they're trying to decode the secrets of the universe. I can feel you're focused, determined. It reflects on this chin you are drawing. Come on, you silly peep. What kind of cat is missing a snout and a mouth? Let's fix that. One more circle, and a tail fit for our whiskered wanderer. Still clueless about what's captivating our kitty's attention? I am sure our little explorer will find that out soon enough. Whoa, what is that? Alright, time for some final sprinkles of awesomeness. Add those finishing touches and then grab your favorite marker to give it that extra pop. Go wild, and make this kitty purr. Drawing with a marker is like giving your cat sketch a superhero costume. Bold, vibrant, and ready to pounce off the page with personality. Don't stress over mistakes. Think of them as plot twists. Embrace the changes, and most importantly, have a blast along the way. I can totally tell you're having a blast. And why not? You're absolutely rocking it. I have an idea, and maybe you can help? Let's brainstorm together in the comments below and give this kitty a name that'll make it the coolest cat on the block. Time to erase the pencil sketch and let the marker masterpiece shine. Watch this kitty go from behind the scenes to the star of the show. When you are done with that, it's time to unleash your inner Picasso. Grab your favorite coloring technique, whether it's crayons, markers, or a magical unicorn horn. Need a spark of inspiration? Check out my example and get those creative juices flowing. If you want more free tutorials like this, visit scribblepeeps.com. Bye.